For me, the most challenging one was physics itself. I used to find difficulty in managing time because forgotten many of the formulas and all that. I used to recollect that in those 5 minutes.
Hi, today we're here with another CBSE 12th grade topper from Riyadh. She is also Yara International School's topper, scoring 95% in her CBSE board exams, as well as 100 out of 100 in chemistry. Let's speak with Fatima Naurin. Hi Naurin,
Hi.
we're so proud of you and happy to have you here.
Thank you.
So you scored 100 out of 100 in chemistry. So what was your study strategy for that?
When it comes to chemistry, we all know there's an inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry was more for me to read the textbook continuously. But when it comes to organic chemistry, I had this way of writing out equations in a paper, which usually all teachers suggest.
Yeah.
So I wrote all the equations from the textbook into a paper and I used to revise it every day. Like starting from the vacation, I started like that. So I think that's what helped.
Okay, what subject did you find most challenging and how did you tackle that?
For me, the most challenging one was physics itself. As usual, how did I tackle that? I have got different tips from my sirs and teachers that write down all the formulas into a paper and stick it on the wall. I literally did that, not just with physics, I continued that with chemistry and mathematics also. I literally filled my wall and I tried to read that every morning and night, even though it was not very regular. I tried that and I think that was really popular. And when it comes to not just physics, chemistry, mathematics, all subjects, one thing that helped me the most was consistency, in the sense every time I used to wake up at a particular time and sleep at a particular time.
Okay.
So like if I study in the morning, I used to do that every day. So
being consistent
yeah,
every day.
Yeah, so that helped me. That time was always there for me to study. So automatically in my brain also, I think that helped.
So you create that routine.
Yeah, that I found that very helpful for the first exam, physics. I felt that difference, like when I usually write the mock exams and all that, and this final exam when I came with physics, I had that practice with me.
Yeah. Did you face difficulty in managing your time? Like how did you divide your time between school, coaching and then self-study?
Time, I think we usually say we don't have time, but I think that's not true. I felt the same when it comes to grade 11 and 10. I used to find difficulty in managing time especially because my sleep time was not very correct. But then when it comes to grade 12, I had this my school on one side and my tuition on one side and coaching on one side on Saturdays usually. So all this together, what I did was, okay, morning I used to have the school. Then I had around 1 hour, more than 1 hour to take rest. So I took complete rest at that time. And then again I had another tuition class. After that, the one that did not make me feel lazy or procrastinate was, every day I used to have this daily assessment or tests, chapter tests or daily assessment. So I didn't have a way to skip time and not study for that.
Yeah, it motivated you.
Yeah, I had to somehow study for that.
You had no option.
No option. So that way somehow we'll get time at the end of the day.
Okay. So you said you had daily assessment, right? So did that help you in revision or do you have any other revision tips?
Not much, because as I told, my school time, tuition, and then at night what I study, somehow I mug up, that's it. So this daily assessment, the thing is, every time I study something from school, and again there is a tuition class, but then there is a need, as you told, for revision and self-study. So when these tests come up, I have that opportunity to revise the topic again. Maybe I might have studied that from school someday, and now again I'm having an option to recapitulate that. So that was a great opportunity, because I might have forgotten many of the formulas and all that. I used to recollect that in those 5 minutes before that daily assessment.
Okay.
So I think
so it helps in retaining your memory.
Yes.
Did extra support from teachers help you in your studies, and do you have any memorable guidance from teachers?
Definitely, I do have. I think the best thing about Target is that anytime I can contact my source if I have any kind of doubts. So sometimes I used to ask it from classes, but otherwise, classes is for a very short time, and everyone are there, so you sometimes feel shy to ask some blunders. But then I do ask such kind of doubts to my source, so they respond immediately, and any kind of questions I have, any blunders, they help me in that with a beautiful smile. So I never felt having a hesitation to ask them about anything.
Okay, so you were the topper of Target's scholarship exam, Talent Hunt, right? So you studied with a 100% scholarship at Target. How was your experience with the coaching academy?
100% scholarship was indeed a boost for me, because studying with that scholarship, it's a kind of respectable position I had, and the kind of motivation it gives me every time to study and sit for the class, because as like after school I had that 1.5 hour gap.
Yeah.
So in that time sometimes I used to sleep, but then to wake up from that time and go fast and at 4 o'clock attended, at sharp 4 o'clock attended, that kind of a motivation I got it from that scholarship. Every time that used to come to my mind, I was like, no, you have to get up, you have to make it, you have to make sure that it's completely
worth
used.
it. Yeah.
I really enjoyed the one thing about that is, as I told, 1.5 hour I used to sleep, and with this motivation I used to get up. Otherwise, if I come from home, what I did in 11th and 10th was I used to sleep till the evening and then I used to get up. Now if I get up at that time, it's not easy to study with that mindset.
Yeah.
Then again going to sleep, there's no time for study at that time. But then after school, this 1.5 hour gap, I get a good rest, and then I'm sitting for tuition class. Again, that daily assessment, I need to work on that.
Yeah.
And then little bit time will be left before sleeping. That also somehow I'll use it for studies and go to sleep. Then again morning, start with the same routine.
Same cycle.
So it helped me a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.